Hello, and welcome to my world of fixing. I am Lord Grumpy, and I am inviting you to watch as we fix a chair for this lovely dining set here. So, as we go about this, I will explain what we are doing. First, those two chairs are fine, and the table needs a little bit of work, but mostly we're going to work on this. This chair is just fine, but I'm using it to show you what we're going to be doing. This part of one of the chairs has broken off, and we want to fix it so that we can have a complete set of chairs. So join me as we do this.
Well, these did not work. Little screws were not strong enough. There was way too much leverage on this part. So I have come up with another solution, which I will show you. It's actually already installed. So let me show you underneath, and then I will take it apart. I've gone ahead and put a bolt all the way through the middle. From here all the way up here, and then inside, oh, hang on a second, inside there are two nuts on that long bolt. You can see them right there, and those two nuts act as one. The top one is a jam nut on the bottom one, so that they don't unscrew, and that gives that good strength all the way through this. So let me show you how I did that. And as it turns out, our two nuts there will just fit in this space down here. And that will tighten this up, pull this down against here, and give good structure to the chair and to this, again, restoring the chair to normal. So here it is with one nut on there. And hopefully you can see, let me get some light down in there. There we go. You can see there's not much room in there, but when I push that up, there's just enough room for that nut, and I'll show you. So you can see I've got that other nut just sort of balanced in there, but you can see there's just barely enough room for that. So let me push it over into place, and then we'll tighten the two together. So there they are, all tightened up, and this is so solid now. And because there's a jam nut, they shouldn't come unscrewed. Got that tightened down really tight. And I think we've got it. Hooray.
And there we are, job done. This is the chair we fixed, and the rest of them are all right. They should last a little longer. So it's nice to be able to restore things so that they can be used to their full length. Good luck on your projects, and watch for our next video. Goodbye.